Okay, so in this video, I'm going to introduce myself to my English teacher. Nice to meet you. My name is Doris Chamorro. I am 29 years old and I live here in Barranquilla, Colombia. I'm gonna talk a little bit about myself. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite drink is coffee. My favorite color is pink. I live with my mom, my sister, and my grandmother. Well, I have a car. I like to drive. That is a little bit about myself. I really like to go to the gym, and on weekends, I like to go to the beach or I like to stay home, relaxing, watching Netflix. Okay, my cell phone number is 301-539-4589. It's been my phone number for years. My personal email is doris.chamorro@gmail.com. And I've been working at the Colombo Americano Center as an English teacher for almost 5 years. I've had the chance to work with adults, teenagers, children, and well, this is almost everything about me. Of course, there's a lot more to say, but this is just like, a short version. So thanks for your attention. Nice to meet you.